Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can target US audience on TikTok. So it's pretty simple. So this means we need to change language, and TikTok is pretty smart and you need to go through like certain steps in order to do this. So first I would ask you to remove the SIM card from your phone. Yes, your SIM card. Because TikTok is pretty smart and it can track which country the SIM belongs to from inside your phone. So remove your SIM card. After you do that, download a VPN, and you can download any free VPN you want, and on your VPN make sure you're connected to US. Right now I'm connected to London, but you can connect to US on any VPN you want. There are tons of free VPN, doesn't matter which you use, just connect to US. Once you do that, make sure your phone language is set on English, and once you set your phone's language on English, inside your iPhone, go inside your app settings. So inside your iPhone setting, you need to click on your iPhone name. Mine is Jake's, I will click on it. From over here, you want to scroll a bit down and click on over here where it says media and purchases, and click on view account. From view account, it's going to ask you to enter the password, and just enter the password and go to the next step. And on the next step, you will be able to change your country or region on Apple ID. So do that. Over here, click on country and region, and from inside country and region, you want to find USA and change into USA. So from this entire countries list, you want to search for USA. So let it load for some time. Click on change country or region and select USA from over here. Once you select USA, just restart your phone, shut it down and restart it again. Once you do that, open TikTok and upload TikTok videos on TikTok, and it's going to target US audience now. So that is how we guys can target US audience in TikTok. Hit the subscribe to our channel step. I'll see you guys next time.